If I ask you to describe an action with one word, which word would you think of? I believe many people would answer 做. This is the most commonly used verb, but what does it actually mean? Don't tell me to do. That's only one of its many uses. Today, I'm going to give you very useful video on various uses of verb 做. So make sure you watch the entire video right till the end. Let's get started. If you have a Chinese dictionary, you will realize that 做 has dozens of different uses, word combination, and example sentences. So next, I'm going to break down these uses into 8 categories. 第一种用法，做 means 制作 means to make. 做衣服 to make clothes. 他喜欢亲手做衣服，展现自己的时尚品味。他喜欢亲手做衣服，展现自己的时尚品味。你可以用制作代替做。他喜欢亲手制作衣服，展现自己的时尚品味。做桌子，做桌子 to make a table. 弟弟打算用这木头做张桌子。弟弟打算用这木头做张桌子。弟弟打算用这木头制作张桌子。第二种意思是写 means to write, like 做文章 to write an article. 他很善于做文章，能够用简单的语言表达复杂的观点。他很善于做文章，能够用简单的语言表达复杂的观点。He is skilled at writing articles and can express complex ideas in simple language. So you also can say 他很善于写文章，能够用简单的语言表达复杂的观点。他在写作方面下了很大的功夫，终于能够做出一篇优秀的文章。他在写作方面下了很大的功夫，终于能够做出一篇优秀的文章。She put a lot of effort into writing and finally produced an excellent article. You also can say 他在写作方面下了很大的功夫，终于能够写出一篇优秀的文章。Another example, 作诗 to write a poetry. 他喜欢在闲暇时光作诗。他喜欢在闲暇时光作诗。He enjoys writing poetry during his leisure time. You also can say 他喜欢在闲暇时光写诗。他天生具备作诗的才华，每次创作都能够打动人心。他天生具备作诗的才华，每次创作都能够打动人心。She has a natural talent for writing poetry, and each of her creations can touch people's hearts. You also can say, 她天生具备写诗的才华，每次创作都能够打动人心。第三种用法是表示从事某种工作或活动。Means engaging in a job or activity, like 做事 means work. 他做事认真负责，从不马虎。他做事认真负责，从不马虎。He is diligent and responsible in his work, never been careless. 做买卖 do business. 他喜欢做买卖， 经营自己的小商店。他喜欢做买卖，经营自己的小商店。He enjoys doing business and runs his own small shop. 父亲教导我做买卖要讲究信誉和诚信。父亲教导我做买卖要讲究信誉和诚信。My father told me that in business, it's important to prioritize reputation and integrity.
Now, let's take a 10 seconds break. If you're interested in Chinese private lessons to improve and practice your Chinese skills, I recommend you check out my website. You can easily book a one-to-one private lesson or join a group lesson without the need of registration. Additionally, we offer the option to schedule a trial lesson to meet your teacher. That is me.
第四种做的意思是举行庆祝或纪念活动。It means to hold. 比如说做寿 holding a birthday celebration used for old age. 他们为爷爷做寿，庆祝他的90大寿。他们为爷爷做寿，庆祝他的90大寿。They celebrated their grandfather's 90th birthday, wishing him a long life. 做生 holding a birthday celebration for young age. 我们为朋友做生，祝他在新的一年里幸福快乐。我们为朋友做生，庆祝他在新的一年里幸福快乐。We celebrate our friend's birthday, wishing him happiness in the coming year. 第五种意思是充当担任的意思 means to act as. 做母亲 You can say 当母亲。今年她迎来了第一个孩子，这也是她第一次当母亲。今年她迎来了第一个孩子，这也是她第一次当母亲。This year, she had her first child, which is also her first time being a mother. 做官 means 当官。他一直梦想着做官，为人民服务，改善社会。他一直梦想着做官，为人民服务，改善社会。He has always dreamed of being an official, serving the people and improving society. 第六种用法是用作 use as。树皮可以做造纸的原料。树皮可以做造纸的原料。Tree bark can be used as raw material for paper making. 这篇文章可以做教材。这篇文章可以做教材。This article can be used as teaching material. 做的第七种用法是结成某种关系。It means become a specific relationship. 他们做夫妻已经很多年了。他们做夫妻已经很多年了。They have been a couple for many years. 他们从小就做朋友，一直很要好。他们从小就做朋友，一直很要好。They have been friends since childhood and have always been close. 最后一种用法是假装 pretend to be, like 做样子，做鬼脸。他只是做样子，表示支持，实际上并没有真心参与。 他只是做样子，表示支持，实际上并没有真心参与。He was just pretending to be show support, but he didn't actually get involved sincerely. 孩子们喜欢在镜子前做鬼脸，逗得大家哈哈大笑。孩子们喜欢在镜子前做鬼脸，逗得大家哈哈大笑。The children enjoy making funny faces in front of mirror, making everyone laugh. I do really hope today's video can be helpful to you. If you still don't understand how to use this most commonly used verb, please go back and watch it again. Or take notes and review it regularly. In the end, please remember to give likes, comments, and share today's video. See you next time. Bye!